Born in Marion, Texas in 1921, Usto Schultz graduated from high school in Seguin. Initially conscripted into the Army in 1943 as part of the Signal Corps, he volunteered for flight training and was sent to Oklahoma City for primary instruction. He earned his wings in 1944 as a multi-engine pilot and was assigned to Hondo Army Airfield, Texas, as an engineering officer. There, he oversaw the maintenance and flew the trainer aircraft used for instructing student navigators. For his next assignment, Schultz was to fly combat in the South Pacific, but en route his orders were changed, sending him to Ladd Field in Fairbanks, Alaska, to be part of the cold weather test detachment. While at Ladd, he flew cold weather tests on all of the Army Air Force's twin-engine aircraft, as well as the B-17, C-54, and Sikorsky R-4 helicopter. In 1947, Schultz left the Air Force and spent the next 10 years flying as a commercial pilot for Arctic Pacific Air and Hawaiian Alaska Airlines, flying throughout Alaska. Next, he joined the Civil Aviation Authority, the forerunner of today's FAA, as an air carrier inspector. He transferred to the Washington, D.C. office in 1964, where he rose to be the executive officer of Flight Standards Service. There, he oversaw the checking of navigation facilities, examination of air traffic controller responsibilities, and worked on several investigations of near in-flight accidents, where he made numerous recommendations to improve flight safety. Taking an early retirement from government service in 1975, Schultz became a consultant to the aviation industry, helping airlines to meet FAA air carrier certification standards. Beginning in 1992, Schultz began working with entrepreneur David Neilman of Morris Airlines to help them gain certification for their charter operations. While with Morris, he became involved in converting the airline from paper operations to use of computers for manuals, revisions, updates, and ticketing. In 1998, 5 years after Morris Air was sold to Southwest Airlines, Schultz was again called upon by Neilman to assist with the creation of a new airline, JetBlue Airways. In addition to certification, Schultz assisted with aircraft selection and purchasing, development of training programs, and the creation of a corporate culture centered around safety, integrity, caring, passion, and fun. He truly was a founding father of the airline, and because of his contributions, JetBlue named one of its A320 airliners in his honor. He retired as JetBlue's Vice President of Safety in 2005 at the age of 84. We are proud to induct Usto Schultz into the Texas Aviation Hall of Fame.